Hello everyone, we are Group 54. Welcome to our video introducing a research paper on predicting experts with machine learning. The future study utilizes machine learning to focus companies' experts' abilities based on their financial records. Specifically, the researchers created expert scores, measuring non-expert distance from expert status. This is our team division of the text.
Let me introduce this article solution where WTO provides support to developing countries to facilitate their integration into the multilateral trading system. Developed and developing economies tend to establish facilitating institutions that provides information, technical advice, and marketing services. But not all enterprises have the same capacity to sell their products and services abroad. Nor do all exporters have the opportunity to benefit from trade. The article uses machine learning to predict a firm's export capacity and explores its application to trade, and credit to help exporters build trade capacity using open markets.
For analysis 2, we're going to use Python. To implement logistic regression, chart, and random forest, you need to import scikit-learn. For implementing BART and BRT-MIA, you need to import PyMC3. The third part is about problem statements and objects. Accurately identifying firms with potential to export is crucial for trade promotion, trade credit assignment, and overall economic growth. Traditional evaluating methods may be limited in their predictive power. Therefore, there is a need for a more robust and accurate approach to predict firms' ability to export based on their financial accounts. The objectives of this research includes those three aspects. The study also aims to handle the case of discontinuous exporters and ensure robustness to changes in exporter definitions and the different training strategies. Here is the exporter scores of the region. Since the study is based on French firms, you can see being limited to this area. Here is the exporter scores of the industries. Then let's move to the next part.
Number 4. Predictive measures. The predictive measures employed in the study include logistic regression, classification and regression tree, random forest, Bayesian adaptive regression tree, and BART-based miscellaneous in attributes. Each of these measures has its own advantages in terms of predictive accuracy. It's found that BART-MIA shows significant advantages when dealing with data containing non-random missing data. BART-MIA shows a high degree of accuracy and flexibility and performs better in terms of specificity and balance precision.
Let me introduce the first part, findings. What did we find? Bayesian adaptive regression tree with missing attributes outperforms other techniques in predicting firms' ability to export based on financial reports, with the prediction accuracy as high as 0.90. Predictions are robust to changes in the definition of exporters and to the presence of discontinuous exporters. The study also highlights the potential application of export scoring in trade promotion, trade credit, and assessing firm competitiveness. For example, the study estimated that a representative firm with a slightly below average export score would need to increase its cash resources by up to 44% and its capital expenditure by up to 2.5 times to reach full export status.
This study provides insights into how machine learning techniques can be used to predict a firm's ability to export, assessing competitiveness and facilitate trade and trade finance schemes through export scoring. First, it highlights the key role of international trade for economic growth. Trade openness allows countries to take advantage of foreign technology and increase overall productivity. At the same time, export growth and diversification benefit both developed and developing economies. Growing gains from trade differential competitive advantage and economies of scale. The Bayesian adaptive regression tree is bound to outperform and be superior to other modes in terms of statistical learning techniques by assessing the robustness of predictors and the accuracy of different models. Export scores can play a role in assessing whether non-exporting firms are close to export status by categorizing firms into different risk groups and providing insights into the cash resources and capital expenditure required to achieve export status. This study utilizes enterprise-level information from ORBIS and uses finance France as a case study for enterprise-level trade data. The article employs 52 indicators from the original financial accounts to train the predictive model. It concludes that export scores based on firm-level financial account forecasts are an important tool for assessing the potential for trade at different levels. Thank you for your watching.